Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today we are making crispy and delicious chicken pocket with a soft homemade dough and a juicy chicken filling. They are perfect for breakfast, lunch boxes, evening snacks or party platters. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, pour 1/4 cup warm milk, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix everything well. Let it rest for 5 minutes until the yeast becomes frothy. Now add 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon salt, 1 egg. Mix everything together and knead into a soft smooth dough. Rub a little oil over the dough. Cover it and let it rise for 40 minutes. Now prepare the chicken filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 3 tablespoons chopped onion, 2 chopped green chilies. Stir for a minute. Add 1 cup chicken pieces. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder. Cook until the chicken is almost done. Now add 2 tablespoons chopped capsicum, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce. Mix everything well. Now in a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons water with 1 teaspoon corn flour. Pour the slurry into the pan. Cook for 1 minute until the filling becomes thick. Turn off the heat and let it cool slightly. Now take a portion of the raisin dough. Roll it into a thin sheet. Place the prepared chicken filling in the center. Cover it with another roll piece of dough. Press the edges gently to seal. Trim the edges neatly. Cut into square pocket. Chicken pockets are a popular bakery style snack. Dip each pocket into a beaten egg. Coat it evenly with breadcrumb. Breadcrumbs give the outside a delicious golden crunch. Heat oil over medium heat. Fry the chicken pocket until they become golden brown, crispy and perfectly cooked. Chicken is an excellent source of high quality protein. Homemade chicken pocket tastes even better when served fresh and hot. Your homemade chicken pocket are ready with a crispy golden coating, soft fluffy bread and a juicy chicken filling. Try this easy recipe and enjoy every warm crunchy bite. Follow Enoven Foods for more easy homemade recipes and delicious snacks.